Hello dudes and or dudettes. Today I'm here to review a couple of Nerf guns and a BuzzBee gun, which isn't as a known brand, but is still pretty good. I'll actually start with it. This right here is the Tech 10. It has 10 bullets. They are yellow with a purple end. I don't know if you can quite see that so well. Anyway, it is a quality gun. Cock, you shoot. I just put it on my mirror. Looks quite good. Actually, in fact, I've got myself right in the nose in my mirror, which is quite good, I guess. Some people don't like me. The only problem with this, there's 4 shots. 2 of them did not stick. It's pretty powerful. The only problem is it's too powerful that it doesn't stick on some surfaces, especially walls, in which I have got a target on my wall. So there are the 2. Yeah. Anyway, next is the Maverick. You know, roll with them. Very simple. Pocket, you shoot once again. The bullets are slightly different. Actually, I'll use this one because you can't actually get them out just by pulling them out this time. These are a very light orange with a blue ending, and this holds 6. You spin it. You're not meant to do it like that, but I just did. So it's perfect to play, what's it called? The Russian roulette. This is actually the Maverick Rev 6. So yes, it is quite good, quite powerful. Not quite as powerful as the BuzzBee Tech 10 though. Although I am still incredibly happy with it. It's a lot more accurate. It's easy, lightweight. The Maverick. And now for my last gun that I'll be reviewing is the Recon CS-6. It can come just like this, or with this. It holds 6 bullets. They are the rubber round ends. Same colour as the Maverick bullets with the orange tip instead of blue. Anyway, sits up in there. You can fire it just like this. And there are actually several attachments which I will show you before I put it all together. This just sits up against the shoulder. Bit extra, you know, technique. Depends what you're into. We have the scope. It's small. It's fairly accurate. There's a hole right through the middle. It's not bad. I quite like it. Although I'd much prefer the laser lights. Unfortunately, you can't quite see it so well in the daytime, or when it's light, it has to be complete black. So I'll just turn off the lights. Hopefully we can still see it. Ooh, scary. I actually can't see if you can see it or not. You can see it. And it can go from small to large. Small, large. So yeah, not bad. Especially for a toy. Anyway, the final piece, the scope. Oh, flicks up. And just goes on the end. It makes the gun less powerful, but it is slightly more accurate. I'll say that. And that's the Recon. And now I'll just put it all together. The Recon. It is a very large weapon. Didn't fire. There we go. Out of 10 for all of them, I will rate the Maverick 9. It hardly ever misfires. Very useful, well, not useful, but entertaining. You can play Russian roulette with it. Easy to use. Small, fits in your hand. Perfect. The Tech 10 I will give probably about an 8. Simply because it's almost too powerful for its own good, in where it doesn't stick on as many surfaces. But I do like the 10 bullets though. That is a big plus from the Maverick, the Tech 10. And now the Recon. As this, I rate an 8.5 with all the attachments. Very good. Yeah, useful, more fun to play with, I guess. But as on its own, I'll give it a 9. It's more powerful and therefore more fun to have a shoot around the house. Yeah, very fun for a war if you like that kind of stuff. So yeah, the Recon CS-6, good gun. I love it. And let me just calculate this. 12, 24, 36, plus that one, which was 14. That gives a total of $50 I bought all these 3 guns for, which is brilliant. I'm going to buy a spare clip for the Recon, plus extra bullets. Only the round-ended ones though, because they fit in nearly every gun, except for the BuzzBee. They have a slight different length of bullet. They're slightly smaller and they're more firm, which I do like. But yes, there are my guns, and I hope you enjoyed.